Hello. This is Jesse or Lightning Runner 72 here. Welcome to my brand new channel. This video is a compilation of alerts that I have received from September to December of 2021. If you like emergency alert system related content, make sure to give this video a like, consider subscribing, and turning on post notifications, cause a video could get uploaded at any time nowadays with the weather situations. Part 2 of this will involve alert captures from January of 2022 to today as of editing this video on Thursday, February 24, 2022. Anyways, let's start this video.
No! God, please, no! No!
Skip it up and that up.
Wow.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 502. First alert on the channel. First EAS on the channel. Just gotta give it a minute. I'll put my phone down so I can stabilize the camera. I know, it's a little mini camera, kind of like a GoPro. I don't have my camcorder yet. What time? It's gonna go off in 1 minute probably. Burlington's also got it. Come on, Gray, quit slacking. What's taking them so long? Yeah, that was something from Binghamton. I'll look at that after this.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. The county list hasn't popped up yet. Severe thunderstorm warning in Burlington and in Caribou. And an SVR continuation in Binghamton. This is all I have for weather radios, by the way. Stability on this isn't very good. The stability. You can probably see my shaking. Ah. Alright, guys. You've seen this. Severe thunderstorm watch number 502. I'm right in the middle of the watch area. Channel WXJ40, connected to the National Weather Service in Gray, has not toned. So, I'm very, very concerned about that, which means it probably didn't go off on AM, FM stations, too. I'll keep you guys updated. Is that it? No, it's not. Well, they didn't tone the SVA. Not a lot of areas are under this, but still.
At 2:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Littleton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect little damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berlin, Littleton, Lancaster, Bethlehem, Franconia, Pinkham Lodge, Mount Washington, Carroll, Gorham, Lisbon, Jefferson, Bath, Dalton, Jackson, Dummer, Whitefield, Randolph.
Wow, I was not expecting that. Good God.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Green. Repeating, a severe
I've never said that before.
has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Comox and Grafton. This is Mary Weather Radio station WNBC 40 broadcasting on a frequency of 160.4.
Okay, yeah, 'cause it's coming. The storms just popped up in the northern part of the state. Here we go. It has officially begun. The severe weather event on September 15th, 2021. Are we under this one? Hope not. Oh, that actually went off correctly.
The National Weather Service in Green has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Comox County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northwestern Belknap County in central New
Jesus.
Hampshire, north central Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Carroll County
Oh, we're
in
under
northern
it.
New Hampshire,
Nope.
until 3:30 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., severe thunderstorm
We're under it.
located
Oh my God, we're under it.
miles west of Littleton to near Lebanon, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Oh my God.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laconia, Lebanon, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Plymouth, Meredith, Moulton Borough, Grafton, Hanover, Haverhill, Enfield, Canyon, Holderness, Ashland, Danbury, Franconia, Groton, Woodstock, Sandwich, and Piermont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I can't
To
believe
report
this.
severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Green. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Belknap, Carroll,
Third one.
Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Doubleheader. These are coming in like crazy now. Shut up, Zone Guard. Your dreaded brick, as Claim Ranger 143 would say.
East Central Comox County in northern New Hampshire until 3:15 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Arrow, or 15 miles north of Berlin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour
Ooh,
wind
ping
gusts.
pong balls.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs,
Jeez, dude.
windows, and vehicles. Expect real damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rangeley, Arrow, Weld, Dallas Plantation, Dummer,
Orange County,
Magnolia
Vermont.
Plantation, Lane, Adamstown, Richardsontown, Upton, Rangeley Plantation, Wentworth Location, Lincoln Plantation, Madrid, Reddington, Copland Plantation, Lower Cupseptic, and Davis.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with...
No way, another one? Nah.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe...
Feels like triple header. That'll be my first triple header since like 2017.
Counties in Maine, Franklin, and Oxford, and Coas, New Hampshire.
Alright. Can you just for 1 second? Alright, I guess that's it for that segment. That's just creeping up on 4 minutes. Here it goes again. SVR! Woo! Duck, Eton! Going off for unrecognized message.
South Central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, West Central Belknap County in central New Hampshire, northwestern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 4 p.m.
Oh, jeez.
At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Claremont, at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Oh, it was a double!
Source, radar indicated.
This is gonna be a double header.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
And did it go off on my phone?
Siding and trees.
No, it didn't.
Locations impacted include Claremont, Franklin, New London, Grafton,
Did it just say Franklin?
Danbury, Newport,
Okay, maybe we are under it.
Bristol, Grantham, Andover, Cornish, Hill, Goshen, Croydon, Plainfield, Salisbury, and Newbury. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan.
What? Oh, wait. Maybe it's because... Oh, wait, that's in counties I can't get. Ah! That went off straight away that time.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coas County in northern New Hampshire, northeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, eastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, northwestern Belknap County in central
Oh,
New
jeez.
Hampshire, north central Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, Carroll County in northern New
Dang, they're
Hampshire.
all just right on the border of where I live.
3:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Bethlehem to near Plymouth to 8 miles south of Enfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Penny size.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to
Okay, there's no tornado possible on it.
Locations impacted include Laconia, Lebanon, Conway, Franklin, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Walterboro, Plymouth, Meredith, Ossipee,
It's clearly just a breeze outside.
Columbus, Ashland, Effingham, Danbury, Franconia, Groton, and Woodstock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law
You
enforcement
stay safe.
agency. You will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Great Maine. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Coas, Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe
I'm
thunderstorm.
DJ Khaled. There's another one. Is it gonna go off? We're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my god. Come on, go off. There's 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Ah! scared the crap out of me. Okay, I get it. I know. Why isn't it going off? Alright, and after this, I'm gonna have to go ahead and swap batteries. Guys, we were put under a severe thunderstorm warning a couple minutes ago. And they have not toned it. I don't understand what's going on. Hopefully they do soon. Because I'm already starting to notice signs out there. Oh my god, another one! Another one! Oh my god! I'm gonna freak out. Oh boy. Yep, I know. The wind gusts are over there. My phone's going off like a bunch of times. Oh, here it comes. First big gust. Yeah, I mean the power flashed once already earlier this morning. It Those clouds look so cool looking over here. That looks awesome. Just what's it called? Architecture? It's getting stronger. I'm gonna put this GoPro down so I can film with my phone. Yeah, this is in Ohio now. This would have been bad. Whoa! Where was that? Get them in. Yeah, there's yeah, it's starting to spin. Oh, I gotta get inside now. Sorry, bud. Bye. Oh, God. Woo! Whoa! That was the power flickering. Yeah. Oh! Another severe thunderstorm warning. It's the 5th one I've gotten today for this area. It's going off on these. Yeah, no kidding, Gray. Oh my goodness!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
That's a good 50.
southwestern Maine. southern Oxford County in western Maine, west central
Oh my
Cumberland
God,
County in
dude.
southwestern Maine, northwestern Stafford
Our
County
power's
in
ripperoonie
central New
for
Hampshire,
sure.
Belknap County in central New Hampshire, Merrimack County in central New Hampshire,
All of Merrimack County, SBR.
New Hampshire until 5:30 p.m. Until 12:44 p.m.
Oh jeez.
The thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Conway to near Antrim, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60. Lower 60s. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, rain likely. Human Westheiser.
Eton, I will literally slap you.
Area message encoding and towing alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued.
You son of a...
This test of the no-weather radio alert systems. This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and towing alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the no-weather radio alert systems. The wind was calm, and the pressure was 30.01 inches and falling. Portsmouth mostly sunny, but temperature was 71. Manchester was mostly sunny and 68.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and towing alarm systems.
You son of a...
This message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the no-weather radio alert systems.
What the hell? High wind warning.
For the following area, in New Hampshire, coastal Rocky
That wasn't a weekly test.
winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Coastal Rockingham County. When?
Wow.
p.m. this evening to noon Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and
Why
power
didn't all my
lines.
radios go off?
Widespread power outages possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here are the 2 p.m.
Where the hell did that come from?
in New Hampshire.
Swear to God, I love. Don't screw.
This EAS is a required weekly test of
Halloween time, baby. Rally. Just your casual brother on brother thing there.
portions of Maine, including the following areas: Androscoggin, Central Interior Cumberland, Coastal Cumberland, York, Kennebec, Lincoln, and Saginaw. Portions of central New Hampshire, including the following area: Stratford. From Saturday evening through Sunday morning. Showers will increase in intensity late Saturday afternoon, with heavy rainfall expected through Saturday night. Rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches will be possible. Rain rates will be greatest during late evening Saturday through early Sunday morning. Be careful driving at night as it is more difficult to view flooded roadways. Heavy rainfall may cause flooding around clogged storm drains and rises on small streams. And now here is the latest.
Gray, I will literally slap you. The expansion.
The flash flood watch to include portions of
We're under it now.
the following areas:
I called it.
Interior Cumberland Highlands, southern Franklin, and southern Oxford. Portions of New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Rockingham, eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Carroll, southern Grafton, and western and central Hillsborough. From 8 p.m. this evening through Sunday morning. Strengthened low pressure moving up the coast tonight will bring heavy rainfall to the watch area tonight. Rainfall rates may exceed 1 to 1.5 inches per hour with
suck,
total
Ivar.
rainfall amount.
You can shut up.
Possible. Smaller streams may experience significant rises. Leaf-clogged storm drains may contribute to water-covered roadways. Avoid areas where water covers the road. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Okay.
The flash flood watch continues for portions of Maine, including the following areas. Water starts to enter beach in Conway. Impact at 8.0.
Ma, now and Papa are under a river flood warning.
Transvale acres in Conway. Impact at 9.0 feet. Water rises up to 1 feet deep in beach and eastern slope camping areas. Impact at 9.5 feet in Transvale acres, Moatbrook Bridge, and the lower part of east. Road flood. Impact.
Bunch of floods.
8.0 feet. 1 to 2 feet deep in sections of beach and eastern slope camping areas. Impact at 11.0 feet. Flood waters 2 to 3 feet deep at beach and eastern slope camping areas. 1/3 of Saco River camping area floods to a depth of 6 to 18 inches.
Whoa. Okay.
Here are the 9 a.m. reports from around New England. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 10.0 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this afternoon. Impact at 9.0 feet. Minor land flooding begins. Impact at 11.0 feet. Route 175 floods to a depth of 1 foot at Cox Farm Road in Woodstock. Campground along the river also flood.
Yeah. Oh, it is. It's Pimagawasset, I think. I don't know. Ah.
Weather Services specific area message encoded. This has been an actual alert. has activated the New Hampshire emergency
Holy
alert
sh!
system. That's the required monthly test. That concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
Dang it, I missed it.
92.9.
Okay. Okay, I don't know why so many of my radios are having bad reception.
Highs in the upper 30s, except in the lower 30s at elevations above 5,000.
3, 2, 1, go.
West winds around 30 miles per hour increase
Go.
to around 40 miles per hour this afternoon.
Go! If you mess up, Zone Guard. Hey! Ah! Same two radios, man.
Would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio alert systems. Recreation forecast for summits above 4,000.
Come on, SFA. Yes! Let's go.
This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio alert systems.
Come on. Yes!
Specific area message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been an actual
You
alert,
son of a biscuit.
would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio alert systems. Forecast for summits above 4,000 feet in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Today, summits obscured. Scattered snow showers this morning. Highs in the lower 20s.
It sounded shorter than usual. Yes! Shut up!
Test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been an actual
Nice, everything went off.
message would contain specific information on the watch or warning being issued. This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio alert systems.
Okay. Did this go off? Oh, you suck.
New Hampshire and western Maine. Today, summits obscured. Snow. Highs around 17. Southwest winds 15 to...
Took a little bit longer than normal. Dang it! Oh, there it goes. Ah!
This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and tone alarm system.
Oh, no wonder.
If this had been an actual alert, this message would contain specific...
That's cool to look at. Alright. Success.
Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. This is no weather radio station. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.4.
3, 2, 1, go. Dang it. There it goes. Oh, come on! Bro, 3 of my radios didn't go off.
If this had been an actual alert, this message would...
Well, that went wrong. Let's go! First one of the season! Woo! Hell yeah, baby!
Eastern Hillsborough, Interior Rockingham, Merrimack, Carroll, Grafton, Southern Coas, Stratford, Sullivan, and Western and Central Hillsborough. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 7 inches. Where? Portions of southwest and western Maine. Portions of central,
Why didn't you
northern,
go off?
and southern New Hampshire. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 11 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult due to low visibility and snow-covered roads. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Doubleheader! Bang! Oh, everything went off that time. Except for the Accurite. That's a first for the IRO.
Storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, Androscoggin, Franklin, northern Oxford, and in New Hampshire, northern Coas. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 7 inches. Where? In New Hampshire, northern Coas County. In Maine, Androscoggin, Franklin, northern Oxford, and County.
What?
When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 11 a.m. Sunday.
And counties?
Impacts. Travel could be very difficult due to low visibility and snow-covered roads.
There we go. Winter weather season has officially begun. That was a double. It's an ice storm. Well, it's not an ice storm. There's ice outside. I'm hoping it didn't get this test canceled. Nope. But boom, boom. Boom. And
Area message encoding
a
and
half
alarm
boom.
systems. on the watch or one.
And boom. This will probably be my last video before Christmas. So, see.
Settles in on the northwest wind to start next week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for interior southern New Hampshire. This is a required weekly test of the National Weather Service's specific area message encoding and tone alarm systems. If this had been a national alert, this message would contain specific information on the watch or alarm.
I did everything. Oh, let's go. Check that out. Let's go. Well, guys, it'll be 2022 when I record the next